From everyone at the Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation, we want to wish everyone a happy new year. We'll see you in 2026. Jane Marie moves this next summer for 2026. Let's raise the funds, guys. We still have enough time to raise the funds. Let's try to get it by January 19th. Guys, come on. It's that time. We need your help. You can buy the merch. We got some new merch at the store. Looks cool. We got some stuff with 2926 on it. We got the Frisco. We got Redwood. We got everything. And then J. Marie merch releases this summer. So let's raise the funds. Let's buy the car. Let's get her home. I go see the car January 9th. I fly up January 19th. So we'll go see the car, get everything finalized, ready to go. But only if we can get the funds. Make sure to donate to Zeffy too, because Zeffy is our primary fundraiser, because for Zeffy you get a tax receipt for making a donation, and also we fundraise with Zeffy to ensure 100% of our funds come to our mission. So you got one-time payment thing you can do is 50, 100, 300, 500. Monthly is 10, 25, 35, and 45 a month. So let's get the goal raised. Everything will be in the description down below. We also got a video premiering right now. 2926 is alive. A look back to every Steam Up event that I've been at to promote the fundraiser. So come on in and watch it, and sit back, relax, and enjoy the premiere. Happy New Year's. We'll see you in 2026. Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire, we'll see you down the tracks from the Jane Marie. All aboard.